Hello, welcome back to my channel. I have a very special guest here. Welcome back to my channel. I have my husband, Austin, here. What are we doing today?
Your makeup.
He's gonna do my makeup. So I've set out a bunch of makeup in front of him. I have lots of options for him. He lost a bet, so he has to do it. I've been asking him to do it for a while. He's been nervous, but today's the day.
I'm looking for not a foundation, but a cover.
Concealer. Don't feel.
Concealer for the eyes, eyelid. Isn't concealer supposed to be white though?
White?
Is it not? Oh, it looks white in your videos. I'm gonna use the Morphe concealer.
Oh, I just realized I forgot to get you a beauty blender. I should probably get that for you.
Yeah, the little orange balls.
That's the Real Technique sponge. You're using a lot of pressure.
Sorry.
You're using a lot of pressure. Oh my gosh. Austin definitely understands the principles behind makeup, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I think I know the steps, but I don't know the products.
Yeah, because he watches all of my videos. He watches other makeup tutorials with me sometimes. He's very supportive of what I do and involved and stuff. So he definitely understands the principles of makeup. He knows what contour is. He knows
Foundation.
Foundation.
And now I'm looking for the powder to set. Applying powder to set the concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with a Huda Beauty Nude palette for the eyeshadow. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do this Teddy color, Charmed over the top, and just get a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And just some little circles.
Good job.
Yeah, I need a little more coverage. I don't like wings, so.
He doesn't like winged eyeliner. Why don't you like winged eyeliner?
Because it makes it look like the person is wearing makeup. I also don't like neon color shadow because it makes it look like you're wearing makeup.
So basically you like natural.
Yeah, natural nude color.
Is that why you chose this palette? Because it had the word nude on it?
Yeah.
You're pushing so hard on my eyeball.
Sorry. It doesn't go on unless I press.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
I'm also going to get the raw. Just for a little darker on that. What?
That was a lot of eyeshadow. He literally just took the brush and just pushed so hard into the pan. And there's so much kickback in the pan right now. Oh, it's okay.
I need a lighter hand, is what you're telling me.
Yeah.
Just a tad. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that.
I can feel the glitter just falling all over my face.
Going all over.
Usually people apply a pressed glitter with their finger.
Oh.
I probably shouldn't be giving him tips. You're giving me more of a dramatic look than I anticipated. I'm excited. You are pressing so hard.
Okay, show him that look.
How does it look?
I did pretty good. I just need to clean up the fallout with a...
Oh my gosh.
I did good.
I just can't believe how hard you're pushing on my face.
Sorry.
If you ever start doing clients, you probably should have a lighter touch.
Yeah, I will. Now, I do the eyeliner. I'm gonna save that Because I want to do, I'm going to do the foundation now so that it doesn't get on the eyeliner. e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Like this. Isn't this right?
Sure.
Wow.
Were you applying it like concealer?
Yeah. This, you go like this and down.
Tell them what the purpose of a primer is.
Hide the pores. And make the makeup stick.
I like your one finger on each hand application.
Oh,
He's like...
Alright. Then this goes all over the face. How do you apply this one?
He's using so much.
It's not going very far. Okay. Do you go left-handed?
No.
Go here. Say hi.
Say hi, can you wave to the camera? Nice, sweetheart.
I bring you in with all these bright lights.
So I just like a little contour.
And
I went a little low, but I'm gonna fix it.
Is it looking good?
Yep.
Are you making me beautiful?
Yep. Here. Bit there. Oh wait, I need to contour the nose.
Yeah, I need my nose to be snatched.
Snatch it. Now I do know you want to go down, make a thin line. Down the nose. Yeah. Then I'm gonna do just a little under the lips. I'm gonna take this and blend it. Okay, now we're gonna set the face with powder. Set the face. Whoa. That was a lot. Setting it is just gonna make everything hold where I want it.
We have Ivy just next to us on the floor hanging out, so you might hear her.
Now I'm gonna do the eyebrows. Sculpting brow pencil. I'm brushing through them with a spoolie. Okay.
Making sure I don't go anywhere.
Yep.
With your hand on my head and all of your weight pushed on me.
Sorry. I have to steady myself. This is a very technical spot. Because you gotta match up the brows. Ooh, I think I did good.
Did you?
Yep. Okay, hold on. You look wonky. Why does that one look so bad?
Your face.
Okay, let me do this a little more.
Are they looking good?
They're not really matching. I don't think I shaped them right or something. They don't look good, I don't think. I feel like they're pretty flat. They're not like...
They don't have an arch?
They don't have an arch. Do you put an arch in them? Yeah. Yeah, that's the problem. I'm gonna try and put an arch in.
Your face is
They're
not
I can't tell
reassuring.
where they're uneven, but like they are.
Do you think you need to like move on to other parts of the makeup and then come back to them? Kind of
See
look
what
at it
it
as a
looks like.
whole.
I'm gonna get the glue out and the lashes. I'm gonna be using B-Lashed lashes, really glam ones.
He's gonna use the style Monroe. Very glam. This is my glue, so you can just put it right on.
So I need to do some blush, get some color. I'm gonna use the Milani blush with the brush from BH Cosmetics. Okay, now to lift the face, this is a secret. You want to go not inside and cover the whole cheek. You want to go the outside cheek and kind of lift it up
Good job.
with the blush.
Who taught you that?
I watched it on this channel,
My channel?
your channel. Okay. Okay, ready? I'm just gonna apply it.
I don't think I should have let you use my brand new pair of lashes.
Can you maybe help him a little bit?
I can't help you.
Okay,
So why are you pushing it down?
because it's way up on the eyelid.
You're sticking it to my under eye area.
Look up. I think I did good. Okay, now I need mascara or eyeliner. Okay, now this is where I get to where I don't want to come out far with the wings because I don't like that look. But I'm just gonna do eyeliner. I actually feel like, didn't really do great there. Alright, I need to like twist you around.
You're doing it it's behind me.
Oh, this doesn't look either. Eyeliner's hard. Let's get rid of this because this is making it look bad. Okay, that's looking good.
I'm so excited to see this look.
Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the brush and kind of blend that dark out. I'm using Climax Extreme NARS
Are you doing lower lashes?
lower lashes. Oh no. It's getting all over everything. Alright, now we gotta go do some cleanup because I should have. I'm gonna use a little concealer. Blend that out with the Huda Beauty blender. Well, now it covered up the mascara. How do you apply mascara?
With like 5% of the pressure that you did.
Ticks me off. I was doing so good. Alright, let's do some highlighter and lips and just see what we're working with.
Is that above the contour?
No, that was below. But it didn't really have a lot on there.
Yeah, it's a subtle highlighter.
Well,
Do you want a more intense highlighter?
yeah, this one's like a cinch up. A little bit of highlighter.
He's using a lip brush to go over my contour with highlighter. It's an interesting choice. And that is
Working.
a freaking lot of product.
There.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
It's like getting all over my pants. I have highlighter all over my pants now from the fallout because he's digging into the highlighter with a lip brush.
Alright, blend this in.
Is the beauty blender your best friend?
Yeah.
blend
makes
everything out.
everything like look a heck of a lot better. I like this. You gotta like,
How do I look?
You look better. I need to blend this highlighter better.
How do I look?
Well, hold still, I gotta look. I mean, it's not good, but it's not like horrible. It's just kind of like bad makeup.
It's reaction time. Looking in the mirror.
Let's see.
Okay.
I mean, it's not terrible, huh? I mean, it's not good. Like, there's tons of mess ups, but it's like, it could be worse. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's accurate.
I kind of like the eye shimmer.
I kind of like the eyeshadow too. I haven't ever used that glitter before. I'm gonna need to.
And I feel like I kind of contoured well.
You did pretty good on the contour. I mean, it's a little heavy, but as far as like the blend, it's blended
I feel like
nice.
if I did the mascara better.
Yeah, the under eye mascara looks horrible.
Yeah. You should just fix that and see what it looks like, because that is like where it's just horrible.
Okay, but my brows,
Yeah, I couldn't get them to like turn right. They just were very flat.
I look like a surprised cartoon or like a sad cartoon or something. Like I look like I have some sort of like painted on emotion.
Well, yeah, they're not good, but I mean, they're bad. They're not great, but
I feel like if you look at the actual just like eyebrow, like if you only looked at the eyebrow, like you did a pretty good job. But looking at like how they look on my face, it's not doing me any favors. I mean, the glitter might be scattered a little higher than I would do, but like there's some good things going on with the eyeshadow.
I mean, it looks good in the camera, I think. Better than in real life. Don't you think?
Sure. Yeah, and the eyeliner.
The eyeliner's bad.
The eyeliner's bad.
It's hard to...
Ivy, how does mommy look? Does mommy look pretty?
I feel like there are good things going on. I feel like I can't really get past the brows and the eyeliner and the under eye mascara situation to like overall.
Yeah,
fully
but you're
appreciate
looking
it.
at it really close. Like,
Should I look
I'm
in
gonna
this
take
mirror?
some pictures from further away.
Okay.
That looks good. What do you think? Comment on the video if I did good or bad. Stand back at
Stand
the
back.
shelf. Now, does that look good or bad? I
You just have to stand really far away.
That's only like 4 feet, and that's what most people are away from you. With COVID, it's 6. It's a good COVID makeup.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed Austin's.
Don't worry, you can subscribe because I won't be in any more of the videos.
You might be in one here or there over the years.
Do you want to hold a makeup brush?
I mean, there's definitely things you did really well.
But eye color glitter is really actually pretty.
I should use it. I
Crap,
use
you know what I messed up on?
What?
I didn't do the inner highlight.
That will save the whole look.
Let's
Quick!
do that.
Quick! Do it!
That's why it looks a little wonky.
Okay, let's save this look.
It's not really helping.
Did you think it was gonna change everything?
I don't know. I give up. That's it.
This is as good as it's gonna get for now. We'll sign off here. Thanks for watching.